Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are preparing banana hair mask, or you can call it deep conditioner. We are going to use aloe vera, banana, which is the main recipe, honey, apple cider, grape seed oil, and next one is flaxseed gel. Okay, by the time you are watching this video, I would have uploaded the fastest way to make flaxseed gel video. The video will be the first thing that I'll upload before making this hair mask, so that you know how we got this gel. Okay, let's move over to the video and let me show you guys how to make this hair mask or deep conditioner. So the remaining gel, we're going to add it here. This is the flaxseed gel that remains. Alright guys, it's time for me to apply the deep conditioner on my hair. So I first wet my hair. You know how we do it. You have to wet your hair first before you apply anything on your natural hair. So I first section my hair. After I have wet my hair, I section my hair like 3-4 parts. Then I started from the front to apply the deep conditioner. The reason why I section my hair so that other parts of the hair will not disturb the one that I'm applying the deep conditioner on, so that makes it much easier for me to apply the deep conditioner on my hair. So after applying on the front, I went by the side then to the back. So this is how I applied the deep conditioner on my hair, and this deep conditioner is so good for your hair. Okay, the apple cider will also help to cleanse your scalp very well. So after applying the deep conditioner on my hair, I covered my hair with my shower nylon cap and leave it for hours. So in the morning I wash it out, I apply the normal conditioner on my hair and then leave it for 10 minutes and wash it out again. This is to ensure that my hair is well moisturized and to keep my hair soft for the whole week. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you love this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button to subscribe, and I would love to see you next time on my next video. Bye.